Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our English class by knowing the blueprint. First of all, I would like to tell you that the question paper of 11th class is of 80 marks. 20 marks is for ASL. All of you know it stands for Assessment of Speaking and Listening Skill. The question paper, which is of 80 marks, is divided into three parts. First one is for reading, second one is for writing and grammar, third one includes literature. Now come to the first part, that is reading section. Students, it is of 20 marks in total, and in this particular section we have two passages. First passage is for comprehension, which is of 12 marks. Second passage is for note making, which is of 8 marks, and this topic is totally a new topic for the students of 11th class. And as far as comprehension is concerned, you have been doing it since your childhood. First of all, beta, if we talk about comprehension, which is of 12 marks, comprehension means understanding. On the basis of your understanding, questions of different types are asked. First, 4 or 5 questions will be asked, which will be MCQs. Multiple choice questions will be asked. Thereafter, 4 or 5 questions will be very short questions, which will require to write in 2 or 3 lines, and 2 3 questions will be asked based or to check the vocabulary of the students. It can include similar meaning words, opposite words, or antonyms. If we talk about, I suppose comprehension part is clear to all of you, which type of questions will be asked. If we talk about note making is entirely a new topic for you. I'm not going to tell you how we have to prepare notes and all that. I'm just going to give you an idea. Note making is divided into numbers. First of all, you will be supposed to write the title of the passage, for which you will get 1 marks. Thereafter, you will make notes. For preparing notes, you will get 2 marks. And then, on the basis of your notes, means as it will be included in your notes, you will make use of abbreviations, and thereafter making use of abbreviation, you will make a key to abbreviations, which will be of 1 marks. Now 4 marks, remaining 4 marks is for summary writing. How you have to write summary, we will discuss this later. Now the total is 8 marks. Thereafter, if we talk about, I suppose reading section division is clear to all my lovely students. Now if we talk about writing and grammar portion, grammar includes a few topics. First topic is tense. Second one is voice. Third one is modals. Fourth is determiners. Fifth one is clauses. These are the topics on the basis of which 6 marks questions will be set. But what type of questions can be asked? It can include editing omission. Editing, it may be for addition, editing, omission, omitting, and rearrange, as well as fill ups. Any type of questions can be set on the basis of grammar. Thereafter, if we talk about writing section, first of all, first topic of writing section is short writing composition, which includes advertisements, notice writing, and poster making. We have 3 topics in short writing composition. Out of these 3, 2 can be asked, for which you have 4 marks. Thereafter, I would like to tell you students, letter writing is quite important for all of you. For the students of 11th class, you have to focus on writing letter, just because it is of 12 marks. First of all, I would like to tell you that we only have formal letters in our syllabus. Business letters. We don't have informal letters. 2 questions will be asked, each carrying 6 marks on the basis of letter writing. Thereafter, if we talk about long writing composition, we have 3 topics: article writing, speech writing, and report writing. Out of these 3, any 2 can be asked and you will be supposed to do any one. And I forgot to mention one thing: in letter writing, there will be no choice at all. Only one question for 6 marks, another question for 6 marks will be asked, and you will not be provided with any choice. Now, if we talk about letter, speech, article, and report, it is of 8 marks. As far as writing section and grammar section as well as reading section is concerned, I suppose everything is clear to the students. Now move on to the last section of the question paper. It is literature. Student, first of all, I would like to tell you have 2 books in your syllabus. First is Hornbill. Another one is Snapshots. We are going to start with Hornbill. After completion of it, we will move on to Snapshots. As far as the questions related to literature are concerned, literature section is in total is of 30 marks. Writing and grammar is also of 30 marks. Literature section, first question will be asked, will be taken from poetry section. An extract will be taken. 2 questions will be asked, each carrying 1 marks. If we talk about next question, it will be short questions. Short questions will be of 2 marks. You will get 7 questions, out of which you will have to attempt any 5. In total, it will be of 10 marks. Thereafter, 3 long questions will be asked. For 6 marks question, One question will be asked from Hornbill, one from Snapshots. Second long question will also be like that. Third will be also like that. But if we talk about the word limit of short question answers, you will be supposed to answer it in 30 to 40 words. And if we talk about the length of long questions, it is 120 to 150 words. The complete blueprint is in front of you. As far as ASL is concerned, we will keep on doing it the whole year. You will be judged throughout the year, on the basis of which you will get marks. That's all for the blueprint, students. Now we will start, thereafter we will start with the topic of English.